A very good afternoon to one and all present here. This is Pratibha representing Mercury team, and we are here to debate on the topic money alone gives happiness versus love alone gives happiness. And we are speaking on money alone gives happiness. Today, in this busy and hectic world, money plays a vital role. To lead our life better and to live a comfortable life, we require money.
If money will go from you, then it won't come back. But love, how much love you give, then that much more than love you can get.
To attain success or anything in life, we definitely require money rather than love.
No, money won't be helpful with you all the time. But if you love someone and if you have any problem, then if you look at the face whom you are loving, you can be very happy forever.
For example, take a poor family. In the present day situation, if he doesn't have any money with him, no one will be there to look after him. If you have money with you, definitely you will have people surrounded by you to have something or the other.
Money will bring you more problems. You can't live happily. If you are saying that a poor family, for him to live long, he should love someone. Means he wants some love. He can get that from his family. Money can't give that much happiness to you.
True love and true friendship will definitely end with a sad ending, but money does not end with a sad ending.
No, I won't agree with you. Because money won't be with you all the time. It will give you so much of depressions. If you love, how much love you can give, that much love you can come back.
If you love a person to the whole heart, when that person cheats you and move away from you, then that depression will be worse for you.
It all depends on you, because all the whole members who are with you, they all love your money but not. So we can definitely spend love.
Money plays a criteria role, because if you have money, someone will come there to look after you. But if you don't have money, you will not even have a person to look even after you.
We are living all on a pillar, that is love. We can get a mother's love, that is the true love. But with that, how can we compare that relationship with the money?
If your mother is also not well, with your love you cannot cure your mother. With money only you can cure your mother.
But money buys the happiness and true love.
But without money we cannot survive our life. With only money we will happy, including you.
But the complex problems solved by humankind are solved by only true love.
For example, we take any problem. When they are facing so many problems, there will be no one to help them. When they are loving also, with only money we can solve every problem in our life.
But every successful man, there should be some family support instead of money.
Obviously, when they are having family also, they will not help. If we are in need, they will not see. If we are in need, they will not come to us to solve our problem. With only when we are having so much money, they will help us also and they will solve our problems. With only money, we can solve anything.
But without affection, these can't we do this.
With affection also, we cannot solve any problem. With only money, we can solve our problem.
But it can't in all the time.
Obviously, in all the time we need only money, because with money only we can live in a good life and a luxurious life. Without money we cannot love.
Money alone won't bring happiness, but love will bring happiness to person.
How can you say that money can give happiness eventually? Even if we buy money, even if we get money more, we can lead our life very happy.
If you have money, it will go, but love won't go. Relationships and all won't be. It will be there for us.
Even if you love, in your family members are facing a problem, how can you solve with love? We can solve it with money or dinner.
Love is such that once it is number goal, let it go.
Money can never go. If we work hard, then it will not go. It will come.
For us to do hard work, we want someone for help.
If we have money, all will come with you.
No, if you have love only, then all will come for you.
No.
If we have self-interest to do anything, definitely we can do. So working hard based on self-interest.
If you have a lot of money also, but we can't be happy because we have to share our feelings. When you are in a critical period, you have to share your feelings with someone. Even with a ruler, we can get that.
If we want to share our problems with a critical, when we are in a critical position, if we have money with us, definitely we will have some. If we have money only, we have people around us. If we don't have money, definitely no one will be surrounding us.
Even if you are in any problem or something else, we want someone to help for us. That is the basic one for us to be helpful.
For example, if suppose we are admitted in a hospital, to cure any problem we require money. No one works in this society with love or anything else.
For that, money is possible means, if the doctor will also say that we want some lovely environment.
But in the present situation, we cannot find the hospitals in a friendly environment or in a lovely environment. We only have, if we have money, we will get the treatment.
That's why we want someone for us to love. So how much love you can give, that much love you can get back. Money won't be with you all the time, even when you are sadness also. Even when money left from you, no one will be with you at that time. If you are in a love, then someone will be help you, even in your critical period or in a sad period.
If money is not there in this present day situation, no one will be with us to support us.
Even if money is not there, if you love a person, he will be with you or she will be with you at the time.
Definitely not. According to the hectic situations in the present world, everyone are only being bothered about their life, how to create a better environment in their life, to lead a successful life. But no one is thinking about the relationships or the love, affection or anything else.
If you give the money for someone else, it won't come back. So money won't be with you all the time. How can you say that in the present days we should need money all the time? Someone should be there for you.
Though we love a person to the extreme ends, but are we guaranteed that that person will stay with us till the end?
Of course, it's all depend on you. Of course, it's all depend on you. Even when the time, if you need help from someone, if money won't be with you, there won't be someone.
For present day generations, if we lead a life very happy, we need money. If we take care big families and families, without money, how can they lead their life happily?
No, with true love only they can live happily. In a joint family also, how can they be with happily forever? Because of their true love. Even money won't be there, they will all go.
If we don't have money, how can we lead happy life?
We can live a family happily without money also.
Without money, we can get so many problems. With that problems, how can we be happy? With money, we can solve that all problems.
No, all the time money won't be with you.
For example, take a nuclear family, they can sustain their life with money, but not love.
If you get money and love, if the money is lost, love will be with you. When you are single, you have money, you can't live happily. You want someone else, you want some other love.
Why not with money we can enjoy everything?
No, all the time it won't possible, and if money won't be with you, if you spending money, it won't come back.
We can spend it and we can get the money in other ways.
How can we get? We can't get money. Love, how much you give, it will be with you.
Nowadays so many greatest people are giving with money.
What?
Nowadays so many great people can sustain their